Yo guys, welcome back to Xplody FPS. It's your host Saira, and today I'm sharing my experience with stereo mix not working and how I finally got it fixed. Let's jump right into it. So first of all, I always recommend downloading the Realtek audio drivers from the official website or any trusted source. In most cases, Windows installs them automatically, but I've noticed that for some users, especially in certain countries, Realtek's servers are super slow, or the site doesn't work properly. So here's the alternative method I personally use when that happens. Open Google Chrome or any browser and search Realtek Drivers Slow Down. Once you do that, you'll see a list of websites. Usually the top one is Realtek, but if it's not opening or downloading slow, you've got two options. Use a VPN or scroll down and find a Reddit post. The top comment usually has a direct download link. It's from a third party, so download at your own risk. Step 2. Install the right version. After downloading the compressed file, extract it. You'll see two versions, one for 32-bit and one for 64-bit. To check your system type, right-click on this PC. Go to Properties. Look under System Type. Mine's 64-bit, so I installed that one. After installing, don't forget to restart your PC. That's important. Step 3. Stereo mix not showing or monitoring? Now, after restarting, I ran into this issue. Even though everything was installed, stereo mix wasn't working properly in Control Panel. Here's what to do. Hit the Windows button, search for Control Panel, go to Hardware and Sound, then Open Sound. So what I noticed was my speakers were working. I could hear audio, wasn't monitoring sound. And sadly, I can't demo desktop audio here due to copyright, but if you're going through this, you'll know what I mean. But when I opened Discord, stereo mix was working perfectly. Here's how to check. Go to Discord settings, voice and video, set input device to stereo mix. Click Let's check. Boom, it's monitoring sound clearly. Why it happened. So here's my theory. The driver I got from that third-party link claimed it was the latest, but it had some bugs. Later, when I re-downloaded it from the official Realtek website, everything worked perfectly. No glitches. So if it's not working even after installing, try switching your driver source. Also, super important tip. Make sure your headphones or speakers are plugged directly into your PC's audio jack, not the monitor, not a mic port, and definitely not a USB hub. Otherwise, stereo mix won't pick up your system sound. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you've got any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. I'll try to help out. This is your host Saira signing off. Catch you in the next one. Peace.